This is the Whitestone Dome Easy Install Express Align Screen Protector, so it's only going to take about 30 seconds to install. I'm going to show you what this is going to look like on my S25 Ultra. So let's get to it, take it out, and see what it's going to look like. Now once again, the process, if you've seen my blue light cut installation, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. These guys have been making these screen protectors for a super long time, and they know how to keep this process simple and easy. So thank you very much, Whitestone Dome, for making this an easy installation. We don't want anything that's super complex. So let's go ahead. I'm going to remove my old Whitestone Dome screen protector. I'm sorry to see this one go, but let's go ahead and remove this one. So now the first steps that you want to do, I actually like using this as a little buffer on my table here. First step that you want to do, guys, is go ahead and clean your screen. So let's just go ahead and clean my screen really quickly. Next, get the microfiber cleaning cloth, just like so. If you see any dust remaining, go ahead and get the sticker. Here's your little dust removal sticker. Always best to keep your screen off, just so you can see. Once you've got all this dust and fingerprints off of your screen, it's time to get the handy application tool. And just go ahead and pull the back piece off really gently, just like so. And then just plop it on the top of your device. Give it a nice little press. And then press and slide just like this. Rub your finger a couple times. Just like this, guys. And now remove this sticker on the bottom. It might break, but that's okay. And remove the application tray. Now if you see any bubbles, they will go away in a couple hours. Most they're going to take is about 24 hours to go away, but they will go away. If you see any larger bubbles though, just go ahead and get the microfiber cloth and kind of press them to the side if you can. This will just help with the application process and help those bubbles go away a little bit faster. Before I take a couple hours to go ahead and check out what those bubbles are going to look like once they go away, you can see that it's completely blocking out my screen. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Here's my screen full on. And if you tilt it a little bit, you can see that it starts to fade off into the distance and becomes really dark. Now it doesn't really work in horizontal mode, as you can see. Maybe tints it just a tiny bit. These screen protectors are generally made for the vertical type of lifestyle. You're on the train, you're out and about, you're reading a text message, you're out doing your thing on the web. You can see it's blocking it out really quickly. So let me just wait a couple hours, guys, maybe even a day, depends when I have time to come back to do this video. And you're going to see these bubbles do disappear. I've been using the screen protector for, I'd say, about a week now. And all those bubbles did disappear within about 5 hours or so, but I am back making this video today, and I just wanted to show you that the screen protector is really clear. And you do not see any bubbles that were initially there with my installation video. And once again, you can see that clear glass over the selfie camera. So even though my screen is tinted, that selfie camera is going to be just as normal. It's not going to tint your photos thanks to having that clear glass on top. Now I actually prefer a full-fledged screen versus ones that have a little cutout for that selfie camera. That cutout just gets a lot of dust and drives me a little bit nuts. So I'm very happy with the screen protector. And as you can see, as I tilt it just a tiny bit, the screen does go away. Let's go ahead and take a look at that one more time. So anyone that's peering over your shoulder, trying to look at what you're looking at, is not going to be able to see what's on your screen there. And the fingerprint scanner, I did have to retrain my fingerprint, but the fingerprint scanner works great each and every time. Let me show you that one more time, guys. No issues with the fingerprint scanner at all. So overall, I think this is a really nice screen protector for anybody that's looking for that anti-reflective coating as well as that privacy feature. Now just to show you once again, it works a tiny bit in landscape, but not really, guys. It's just the nature of having a tinted glass on top of your screen there. So a couple notes I just want to mention with the screen protector. Now I do have it on full brightness at the moment here. Any privacy glass that you're going to use, you're going to notice that the screen is just not as bright as a normal clear screen protector. So it depends what you guys really need. If you want that privacy feature, which I actually really do, you're willing to put up with just a tiny bit of tint, and that's really all it is, especially with the better screen protectors like this Whitestone Dome one. It's only a little bit of tint. It's not a huge amount of tint. It's not like looking at your screen with sunglasses on, but you do notice versus a clear screen protector or no screen protector at all that you do get a tiny bit of tint across your screen. So overall, I've been using this. I think I've been using this for about a week since I initially did the original review here. I've been really happy with the screen protector. I was out and my friend asked me, why am I playing with my phone when it's off? Obviously, he had no idea that I had a screen protector installed that did that privacy goodness. So then he said, wow, this screen protector actually does work. And yes, it actually does work, guys. And in terms of the anti-reflectiveness, let me see. It's actually doing a very decent job, a lot better than some other non-anti-glare screen protectors out there. So once again, this is the Whitestone Dome anti-reflective with privacy feature screen protector. I'll throw some links down in my description. I really appreciate you guys watching, and for all things S25 Ultra, check my links down below. Really appreciate you guys watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will catch you in another video.